Chapter 3. What is success? No, I have already used the term success several times, but let us clarify. Let's clarify what is actually is. It's it probably means something different to you than it does to me. The definition of real depends. The definition really depends on the where the person is in life or the what has his or her attention. Success in early childhood might mean receiving an allowance for a first time or getting to stay up past one's bedtime. But that would no longer be of interest just a few years later when a success in the teen years might be getting one's own bedroom, cell phone or later curfew. Success in your early 20s might be furnishing your first apartment and getting your first promotion. Later on it might be marriage, kids, more promotion, travel, more money. As you age and conditions change, the way in which you define success will transform it again. When you are much older, you are likely to find success in a good health, family, grandchildren, your legacy, and how you will remember where you are in life, the condition you are facing, and the situation, event, and people on which your attention is most focused uh, will will influence your definition of success. Success can be found in any number of realms: financial, spiritual, physical, mental, emotional, philanthropic, philanthropic, communal, or familial. However, wherever you find it, the most crucial thing is to know about success in order to have it and keep it are the following. First, success is important. Two, success is your duty. Success is your duty. Three, there is no shortage of success. I will discuss the first point of this chapter and the other two in the subsequent chapter. Success is important. Success is important regardless of their culture, race, religion, economic background, or social group. Most people would agree that success is vital to the well-being of the individual, the family, and the group. And certainly to the for future survival of all these things. Success provides confidence, security, a sense of comfort, and ability to contribute at a greater level, and hope and leadership for others in terms of what is possible. Without it, your group, company, goals, and dreams, and even the entire civilization would change to survive and thrive. Think of success in the term of expansion. Without continued growth in any entity, be it at a corporation, dream, or even an entire race, would cease to exist. History is full of examples that support the notion that disaster occur when expansion does not continue. We can include the Vikings, ancient Rome and Greece, communist Russia, and the endless list of the companies and product. Success is needed in order to perpetuate people, place, and the thing. You must never reduce success in your mind or in a conversation to something that does not matter. On the contrary, it is with anyone who minimizes the importance of success to your future has given up on his or her own chances of accomplishment and is and is spending his or her life trying to convince others to do the same. Individual and the group must actively accomplish their goal and target in order to carry on. If not, they will either cease or exist to be consumed or become a part of something else. Companies and industries that wish to maintain their status must successfully create a product, get those products to the market, keep client, employee, and the investor happy, and repeat the cycle over and over. There are far too many cute sayings that seem to dismiss the importance of success, like success is a journey, not a destination. Please, when the terrible economics contraction occur, everyone quickly realize they can't eat or make a house payment with cute little saving. The economics event is the past several years should have made it obvious how badly we will underestimate the importance of success and how essential it actually is to survival. It is not enough just to play the game. It is vital that you learn to win at it, winning over and over again at everything in which you involve yourself. Ensure that you will be able to further expand, and it guarantees that both of you and your idea will survive into the future. Success is equally important to a person's sense of self. It promotes confidence, imagination, and the sense of security, and the emphasis, emphasize, emphasize the significance of making a contribution. People who are unable to provide for their families and their future put themselves and their families at a risk. People who aren't successful can't buy goods and services which will them negatively impact fund for school, hospital and public services. About this time some will say, but success is not everything. And of course it is not everything. Yet I always wonder that what point people are trying to make with this statement. When someone in my seminar say this to me, I often respond by asking something along the line of, are you trying to diminish the importance of something you haven't been able to attend? Get real, regardless of whatever goals you are trying to attain. Success is absolutely critical. If you quit caring, then you will quit winning. If you quit caring, then you will quit winning. Quit winning long enough, and you will just plain quit. Do kids benefit when they see their mom and dads losing or quitting? Does anyone benefit when you can't get your art sold, or that great book published, or that great idea that will improve everything across? No one will be benefited your failure. However, if you were able to reverse it and attain the goal and dreams you set for yourself, now that would be something.